What is going on YouTube? It's your boy D Broussard and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit more upgrading to Panther's interior. Going to be something small though. This is the last upgrade I'm doing to his interior besides the headliner and the carpet. So next you'll see the headliner and the carpet, but this is the last red I'll be adding to his interior. You'll see more after this little intro. Let's get it. Alright guys, so today gonna be a short video. I'm just going to be, I'm gonna show you in a second, changing out this cover, the steering wheel cover. I think that looks pretty good right now, so we'll see. But my last video, remember I moved these, that carbon fiber, the red carbon fiber wrap I had on these. Alright, so I wanted to put something else carbon fiber in here. I was thinking about carbon fiber, putting some carbon fiber on this. But I'm gonna hold off on that for now. But I found something else that I ordered with carbon fiber on it, the red carbon fiber. So I'll show you what that is in a second, but I just want you to see how that looks right now. I think that looks pretty good actually. So we'll see if I how it looks when I switch it out, if I like it or not. I may not like it. And I'm gonna have to repaint that center console over. You see it already has that chip in there. And what I noticed, what someone else watching one of the videos pointed out that I didn't notice at first, was the color is different. Look at these two. Colors are different than the rest of it. So that color is different. I didn't catch that. I'm glad someone pointed that out to me. Much appreciated. I'm not gonna say your name and all that, but appreciate you pointing it out to me. And the next thing I noticed is chipping. So hey, everything happens for a reason. It's not the right color, and it's chipping. So I'm gonna redo that. But anyway, I just wanted to point that out. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna put on there in just a sec. Be back in just a bit. Let's get it, guys. So here's what I'm gonna be putting on. I need to change these out too. When I got the ones for the front, the floor mats for the front, they didn't have the back. It was just the front seat, but I'm gonna change these out too. That's gonna be coming when I get the carpet done over back here. Well, not just back here, all the carpet done in here. That's gonna be black. Like I said before, along with this headliner, gonna be black. All right, so anyway, these are what I got today. And for your steering column, as you can see, steering wheel. And you can see from this picture, they just go on the sides like that. I don't know if you can see it from this side, not really. But you can put them wherever you want, top, bottom. I'd rather put mine on the side, because then, you know, that's how most people drive, like either using from a 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or 10 o'clock position, if you guys know what that means. Anyway, so this one I'm going to be putting on today, and we'll see how they turn out. So just go back a little bit. I got these off Amazon. Dang, how much did I pay for these? I forgot. Ordered them from Amazon. I'll let you guys know more about that later on in this video. Anyway, so let's get these open. I'm gonna remove this one and put the other one on, and we'll see how they look. All right, back in a sec. Let's get it. All right, so let me go ahead and open these. Pretty simple to open. Maybe I'll open it with one hand. Yeah, just a staple. So this is how they look. Couldn't really see them in that plastic. Pretty lightweight. Nothing real heavy or anything like that, but they're pretty smooth. Let's see what they look like underneath. And they're just snap-ons, basically. So, just get a good look at how that looks. Pretty smooth. That's what they should look like on the car. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these installed. Remove the other one real quick. Like I said, who knows if this is gonna look better or not, but because I do like this one better than all the other ones I had. I do really like this one. It's pretty cool. Alright, so you just get a quick one and just pull it off. Comes off pretty easy. I like the stitching in this one. But let's see how this other one looks. Should be able to pop on relatively easy. Hope it's the correct size. Let's see. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. It's plain. A better view from back here. It's plain stock, nothing special. So you can see what you like better, that the cover had on it before, that stock look, or pop these on real quick. You just go like that. Just pop them on. I think it should. Let's see, just pop on there. Oh, you just have to put them at an angle. Let's see. I'm already kind of not feeling that. Already not feeling that. I don't think so. Let me get these on. I'll be back in a sec. So I put them on the car. I wasn't kind of feeling it when I was putting them on. I was looking, but then I got them snapped all the way on. So we'll see how if it grows on me or whatnot. If it doesn't, I'll just go with the other cover, put that one back on. So, and this seller name on eBay, I said I got these off Amazon. No, I got these off eBay. The seller goes by the name of October. October. They have a 99% positive feedback rating on eBay. So I always look at the ratings, and I mean, you know, that's why I start. You can have some sellers that have a lower rating level, but you know, it's just unfortunate things happen, and then people want to give you a bad rating. So it happens. Anyway, this seller is 99% positive feedback. Go by the name of October. Got these off eBay for only $16. All right. So let me just, without further ado, show you guys what they look like. And then again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna stick with these, but they have to grow on me. We'll see. So just a little something, nothing special. But I did want to add some more carbon fiber since I removed the other one. That looks good, the carbon fiber on there. It's the finish. But we'll see. If it grows on me, I'll keep it on the car. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna move it. Not a big deal. See how it looks back here. From back here. I think it looks decent. Nice change of scenery on the wheel cover there. I think that's pretty good. Not bad at all. So I think I like it for now. And another thing I want to do, that is the last of the red I'm putting in here, and I'm only putting that again because I removed those. So, but another thing I'm going to address is this right here. I don't like how this looks. Let me get that. I'm going to paint these over. But I may just end up painting these black. They're not going to be red. This is the last red I'm doing in this car. I may just end up painting these even on this side. Let's see the little flaws in there, if you will. So I'm going to paint these over, and more than likely I'll be painting these black. Alright, so yeah, that's it, man. Just a short video of how these look. Just let me know what you guys think. Alright, your boy D Broussard back with another one. Like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm out.